The Pocket Guide to Facilitating Human Connections. This book packs a punch. So we created this intentionally to be small, and it's really great for emerging leaders, experienced facilitators, but also brand new facilitators, because the first third of the book is a conglomeration of key concepts that allow you to facilitate really great groups. And so it talks about things like challenge by choice, ways to give your groups autonomy to engage them. Talks about stretching people outside of their comfort zone, but not too far. And so the first third unpacks that. The last third dives into an index of exercises and group activities to promote connection, communication, and cooperation, build or visualize trust, along with a series of exercises that use our We Connect cards, which is one of our most popular tools. So you can see the format is, here's an image of the exercise happening, an intentionally short description that's meant for you to ruthlessly misinterpret and apply to your own context. And the book comes along with a bunch of links and video tutorials and other resources in the back. If we can help you at all, feel free to reach out to me or Will or Rod, and we'd be happy to help you implement this in your own context. Thanks for making your groups more engaging.